At Watkinson, our desire is to help them find their voices. We focus on the habits that will help them to become resilient scholars, but in a context of truly discovering. They become writers, they become thinkers, they become interrogators of texts and the world around them.
My Watkinson is all the diverse community and how I participate in different types of sports and how I get to actually play on the high school team.
My Watkinson is definitely the opportunity. If I want to play sports or do any clubs like Model UN or chess club, I can have the chance to do it.
My Watkinson is probably the place I'm most comfortable.
My Watkinson is being able to see my friends every day and having small classes.
In science class, you're going over the Bohr models, so it's not always like sitting and reading stuff. You can just do hands-on activities and it makes it more fun.
This teacher knows when to push you and when to help you, which I think is very important. Like, I don't like being in the back to classroom not knowing anything when everybody else understands it.
The math work here is very challenging, but the teachers and my fellow peers are always very smart and they will help me through any problems, or I can help them with any problems.
So we get to do fun experiments, such as there's a Hog River down behind Watkinson, and right now we're doing experiments with finding how many macroinvertebrates are in the water.
One class is reading the Odyssey and the other class is reading Antigone. And what happens is after they read these stories, then they write a script reenacting the stories, and we film the stories and we show them to each other as a group.
We harness their native curiosity, the things that are truest about middle school students, and let them sculpt the world, sculpt their education, instead of trying to sculpt it for them.
I'm in many clubs at Watkinson. My favorite club though would have to be art club. I love art, it's so fun and you get to be creative. Everyone just feels so welcoming to me. For instance, I didn't know anyone, and so when I came in, the teachers created workshops to help us bond.
You feel you can gain independence while also gaining interdependence.
If you feel that you're not getting that much opportunity to do things that you really like sports and plays and music and dancing, Watkinson has most of the stuff that you really love to do.
My Watkinson.
My Watkinson.
My Watkinson.
My Watkinson.